Well, Masterclass PC Builder, welcome back. This is I-3 in the PC Masterclass videos. If you made it this far, then that means you have enough patience to sit through the introduction of all three videos. We have a lot that we got to discover, so I'm not going to waste any more time on the introductions. This is going to be the final introduction to the PC Masterclass. Now in Chapter 2, what we're going to be doing is talking about finances. So we're going to walk you through on some tips and tricks on how to either build up your finances, or if you already been to where you can handle the finances and this is not a problem for you, then you know that's going to be the right video. Even though that you don't have, well, I can't say don't have, I'm going to say, like, if you can afford it, that video still be for you, because you'll see other ways that I've learned how to save up to get PC parts. But if you're stuck in a bind where you can't get PC parts, there's other ways. You start off slow and you build your way up, and you can become master PC builder in no time. So, Chapter 2, we're going to be talking about finances. And I know you guys are going to say to me, you're going to say, Jay, why are you talking so slow? I'm not. This is the way I talk. I can't help the way I talk. People seem to have that problem of talking about the way I talk, but it's just the way I talk. So, ladies and gentlemen of the world, hopefully you're getting ready to get busy to build a PC. Because if you wait and you keep waiting, then you're never going to get done. You're never going to get to that next level. So be patient, get yourself geared up for it, and if you're ready to go to that next level, then you'll jump to the next video, which is in Chapter 2. So, and that is where I'm going to meet you next. So, we're going to go ahead and call this the finale of the introduction, which you guys should all know that you're going to be learning how to set your finances. You're going to be learning how to pick your parts. You're going to be learning how to build your computer. You're going to learn the functions of every part in your PC on the motherboard, the CPU, the RAM, the SSD, A to Z, graphics card, everything. This is going to be comprehensive. It's not going to be to where I'm going to give up. I'm going to go into detail with every little thing. So this is what you're going to be expecting. You're going to be getting all this information. And being a member, you'll get the information. Because this is the master class for the beginner stage. Hear what I'm saying? It's the beginner stage. You're going to get the full comprehension of the beginner stage. There's a lot to learn about PCs. I mean, a lot. So if you're willing to take that plunge, then guess what? I'll end up seeing you on Chapter 2. So until then, I gave you a little bit of a teaser of what's going to be coming up soon. So be ready for it. Have some patience. And just wait for every video that comes out, because it takes me time to build the videos. But until then, we will see you on Chapter 2 of the PC Masterclass.